As you spiritually grow, awaken, evolve for you, soul rider, for your body and your teams, you become more intense. There's no way around it. If we think about Buddha, Christ, or ascended masters, they're intense. They're a very focused energy inside themselves. But the way that they hold their energy is they're not attached and wanting for another person's reality. They're holding their energy in a very vertical state, modeling a strong, coherent field. So as you evolve and awaken, your intensity increases. And there's this tipping point, turning point, that as you awaken, you might find that manifesting, creating, calling things in is harder than it used to be. Well, it's because 20 years ago or 30 years ago, your energy wasn't as intense, and you might have been streaming your energy in a horizontal state, but it wasn't that intense, so it didn't push things away. Now you've got a level of intensity, and so if you start to get attached and want for things that are horizontal, you stream your creative energy, your intensity horizontally, and almost like a fire hose, you push things away. And so play with the idea that we want to continually, every day, practice holding the energy and a vertical alignment, holding the attachment and the desire internal, and then creating a magnetic draw by having this intensity flowing in your individual divine cosmic loop that does create almost like a vacuum where you pull energy to you that you are connecting with inside, meaning you pull kind people to you, you pull integrity to you, you pull sweetness and joy and love and freedom and gentleness to you, because that's what you're connecting with internally and running in your vertical loop. We invite you to take a deep breath in, to pull your energy and awareness into your divine line. And just take a moment to reflect upon how long you have been actively, consciously engaged in your awakening process. Awakening to your essence, cultivating more self-love, more awareness of your light, having a desire to serve. And as you reflect upon your awakening journey, your self-actualization, now take a moment to invite some energetic aspect of you, some energetic aspect of your body, your teams, your conscious awareness, to feel into how intense you've become, how much creative energy you have gathered within and around you. And as some energetic aspect of you references your intensity, now take a moment to invite your higher self, body, devas, higher self, and teams to work with the energetic fields and the guides, to reference any of your energy that you are streaming still horizontally out onto projects, goals, dreams, people, desires, future, people that you have been in relationship with in the past or are in relationship with now. All of your threads that are going out horizontally. And as some energetic aspect of you references all of those reference points, all of those outer horizontal threads, invite your higher self, body, devas, higher self, and teams to spin your fields in a clockwise direction, retrieving all of your threads off of everyone and everything, bringing your threads, your attachment, your desire, your creative current, your intensity into a vertical alignment, recalibrating it, streaming it in your individual divine cosmic loop, in the body devas divine cosmic loop. And you might, as the conscious soul rider, say to your body, body, hold your energy vertically, internally, stream your intensity in your loop of light. Recognizing your body has that line of light that runs through the spine, the spinal cord, goes out the base chakra, goes down, loops back up in front of body, back up to spark of body deva, and then down through top of head, down spine, spinal cord. Body deva, run your intensity in your loop of light. You soul riders, just keep that mantra up. Body, run your intensity in your loop of light. Body, run your intensity, your creative energy in your loop of light. Equally disperse your creativity, your intensity in your loop of light. Use this intensity, this creative energy to draw to you that which you desire. Internal and vertical, attachment, internal and vertical. And then you are coaching, guiding your body and holding its energy in a different way. And you, soul rider, holding that conscious awareness of doing the same, modeling that to your body, inviting your teams to do the same as well. And then balancing and stabilizing, updating your grids, all your reference points, all ways in which you perceive. Letting that piece integrate.